Over a million African Americans are facing a health threat from oil and gas facilities near their neighborhoods. That is one of the new findings of a study by the NAACP and the Clean Air Task Force entitled Fumes Across the Fence-Line, the health impacts of air pollution from oil and gas facilities in African American communities. Joining us right now is Marcus Franklin, Environmental and Climate Justice Program Specialist for the NAACP, co-author of the report. Talk about affecting a million African Americans. What cities or states are most impacted?
So the top 5 states at this point from our data include Texas, Louisiana, Pennsylvania, Ohio, and Oklahoma. And that's just in terms of the populations of African Americans that are around these facilities.
And what we're seeing, of course, with this administration, of course, we saw the hearing about for Trump's top environmental advisor who couldn't answer. She answered fewer questions than Jeff Sessions did on yesterday. And this administration does not care about the environment whatsoever. When you look at the people they literally are putting in positions of influence in the EPA.
Definitely, and I think there's a few considerations and some that I can talk to specifically. With the expansion of natural gas as an energy source, that just puts more people at risk. Not just African American communities, but also other low-income communities generally, as well as other person of color communities as well. So with the expansion of natural gas, you can just imagine that more air pollution, which is just the tip of the iceberg for the most part. And even when you think about the methane and rollbacks on caps and monitoring and evaluation of various facilities, it's just opening up a lot more hurt for communities that are suffering these health impacts.
Something that was very striking in the report, first of all, thanks for the work. And the previous one that you all worked on was the effect on children, man. Asthma. I mean, how does this hit our children in particular? How are they even more vulnerable as a result of these? So children and other more vulnerable communities, so including senior citizens, just naturally, the health impacts hurt them a little bit more since their bodies are still developing. What we found is based on a lot of ozone, mostly, triggering asthma attacks. I believe the numbers are roughly about 138,000 lost school days because of asthma due to ozone and smog. 138,000.
So now that we know, what can we do about this? How can we help? How can the viewers help this issue or get more of this information out?
Definitely. From the NAACP perspective, membership is always important, and joining the cause and joining the fight. From here, Fumes Across the Fence-Line is our first step towards on-the-ground grassroots action. What we look for is to create a grassroots, inclusive, community-led and driven change of a new energy future.
So thanks for your work. Important to keep our community safe. Great work with the National Medical Association. I think something else that's really important is this notion of jobs and ensuring that black folks have jobs, certainly in green energy, in gas and oil, and just across the board, that we're at the table and we are benefiting. It's an important part of our economy that's growing, and I think that, you know, black folks really need to be at the table.
Exactly, and that's our entire stance on our energy justice work, is that no one issue is in a silo. It's a lot of larger things and the broader systemic oppression that needs to be addressed. So with advancing the green economy, we're calling on community members to look what's there, to promote clean and renewable energy that is grounded in community ownership, community control, and community choice of energy resources. And a large part of that is using the green economy and the green energy economy specifically for community wealth generation and local hiring for those jobs as well.
All right, we shall appreciate it. Thanks a lot.
Great.
All right, where can folks get the report? Where can they watch it, read about it?
It is on our website, so NAACP.com. .org, under the Environmental and Climate Justice issue area. A lot of our resources there, as well as this report.
All right, thanks so much.
Great, thank you.
Weekdays on TV One.
I will never lie to you.
Oh my God.
Roland Martin.
He doesn't want to talk to us. He wants to ignore us.
Uncensored.
Hell no. That ain't gonna cut it, boo.
Unapologetic.
No, that is fundamentally false. You are wrong.
Unfiltered.
He wants an America where we all look alike. He ain't talking about black people.
Unrelenting.
You better go work out, because you got a fight on your hands.
NewsOne Now with Roland Martin. Weekdays at 7 a.m. on TV One.